we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Okay, so we're checking out the Breville Barista Pro, right? ASINB 08ZCNP8YR. I've heard good things.
And the Miele CM 6360 Milk Perfection, ASINB 09BG85YDM. Sounds fancy. A fully automatic machine, I see.
Yeah, let's see how they stack up. Espresso Showdown. The Breville's got that integrated conical burr grinder, which is pretty cool for getting fresh coffee on demand. It delivers the right amount with a single touch.
The Miele also has an aromatic system and a grinder. It's a quiet, aroma-friendly conical grinder made of wear-resistant steel, they say. Plus, you can select the grinder setting. Important for dialing in your beans.
The Breville heats up super fast, like 3 seconds with the thermojet system. That's almost instant coffee speed. But for Real Espresso,
the Miele has a one-touch for two feature, so you can make 2 cappuccinos at once. Perfect for mornings when you both need a caffeine kick.
oh nice! The Breville has a manual steam wand for texturing milk. If you're into latte art, you can really control the microfoam.
The Miele does milk froth too, and has 8 programmable connoisseur profiles, which is kind of neat for different users. So everyone gets their Talk to Dem 2 perfect coffee.
Breville focuses on precise espresso extraction using digital temperature control, PID, keeping the water within plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius. That's key for a consistent shot.
Miele has a double shot function for extra strong coffee. Good for those days you really need it.
The Breville's got an LCD that shows grinding and extraction progress, making it easy to use. It guides you through the process.
The Miele is even Wi-Fi compatible. Can you believe it? You can control it from your phone, though I'm not sure I need that. The Miele also has a coffee pot function, so you can brew a whole pot at once.
And the Breville comes with accessories like single and dual wall filter baskets, a milk jug, and the Razor Precision Dose Trimming Tool. Fancy!
The Miele includes descaling and cleaning tablets. Cleaning is key.
Size-wise, they're both fairly similar in dimensions. Pretty standard for espresso machines, I guess. The Breville is 13.5, DX 13.9, WX 16 inches H, and the Miele is 16.8, DX 9.9, WX 14.1 H. The Breville has a bigger bean hopper, half a pound versus the Miele's 10.6 ounces, so less refilling with the Breville.
But the Miele can adjust the grind and water quantity in expert mode, really dialing in your preferences.
The Breville has adjustable grind control too. It's pretty important to get that right.
The Miele also has automatic rinsing of the milk line for easy cleaning. That's a big plus for me.
They both sound like pretty solid machines, but the Miele seems to be more automated, while the Breville gives you more hands-on control. It really depends on what you're looking for in your coffee experience. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.